Welcome, and thank you for choosing the Baby Delight SizeWise wood hardware mounted gate. This video will guide you through installation. Here are all the included components with your gate. For inside mounting, this gate fits openings from 28 to 38 inches. For outside mounting, it fits openings from 23 to 33.5 inches. First, we'll walk through inside mounting installation. Measure the width of your doorway in inches. Using the chart, find the P number that matches your measurement. Place the two gate sections together and ensure they are properly aligned. Do not position them like this. Make sure they are positioned like this. Next, measure the gate section offset to determine the Y value. Use this Y value to set up the correct spacers. For P values P1 through P6, install all 4 spacers as shown. Use 1 screw per plastic spacer. For P values P7 and P8, install only 2 spacers as shown. Use 2 screws per plastic spacer. Now assemble the latch. Decide which side of the doorway you want the gate mounted on. Line up the 2 latch components, insert the screws, and threaded inserts. Rotate the metal plate 90 degrees and tighten the screw. Measure and mark where the gate will be installed. Drill holes at the marked locations. Depending on your needs, several installation options are available. Use short screws to attach the latch to the door frame. Place the foot parts onto the hinge side and secure them to the door frame using long screws. To open the gate, press the pressure lock inward and lift the gate to swing it open. The inside mount installation is now complete. Next, we'll cover outside mounting installation. Measure the doorway width in inches and use the chart to find the matching P number. Align the 2 gate sections correctly. Do not position them like this. Make sure they are positioned like this. Measure the gate offset to find the Y value, then install the appropriate spacers. For P values P1 through P6, install all 4 spacers as shown. Use 1 screw per plastic spacer. For P values P7 and P8, install only 2 spacers as shown. Use 2 screws per plastic spacer. Line up the latch components and insert the screws and threaded inserts. Measure and mark where the gate will be installed. Drill holes at the marked locations. Based on your installation needs, select the appropriate mounting option. Attach the foot parts to the hinge using long screws. Attach the latch using long screws, bushings, and foot parts. Secure the gate to the wall. The outside mount installation is now complete. Your Baby Delight SizeWise wood hardware mounted gate is now installed and ready for everyday use.